Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. I wish you all a very beautiful 2022 and a happy new year once again. So today is going to be the first day in the stock market and we need to understand and see what is going to be happening and what is going to be our plan. So this video will consist about a comprehensive analysis of the global market, about the open interest and where Nifty and Bank Nifty will be trading today. And also we'll pick out one stock and let you know as to how you can go about for the rest of the day. Now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly come back and see what's happening here. Now, firstly, I want to tell you that Bank Nifty was consolidating and it has now created a W pattern. So over here, there is a very strong technical breakout that it has almost confirmed. But anything about 35,500 would have been wonderful, but this is also not bad. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because the SGX Nifty is already a couple of points up, so somewhere around 60 points up. And if SGX Nifty at this moment crosses somewhere around close to 17,500, then obviously there is going to be a lot of action here. So for me and for my price action, what I'll be looking at is I'll be looking at a very clear aspect here. So let me just go ahead and show you what will be the line that I will be looking for over here and what is the price action that I will be looking for. So if the high is being broken of 35,562, I will be looking for the next previous high that was available over here at 36,534. So I'm expecting another 1,000 points move if this high is being broken. But in middle, of course, we are going to meet somewhere around 36,000. Now, how am I making this, guys? If you remember, this is the place where it took a retracement the last time. So we are drawing the horizontal line as the targets which are available over here based on that. Now, this is what I'll be using. So that's where the action is all about. So my first target, if this breakout happens, is going to be somewhere around 36,000. So that's going to be a pretty straightforward target. And if it sustains, then I'll be looking for 36,500. So these are the two targets that I'm looking for this particular thing. Now, let us quickly understand the max pain and see as to what is happening over here with Bank Nifty. So the PCR chart over here is, pretty much, I would say 35,500 is a very key level that I'm actually looking at over here. So that has been built up over here as well. So 35,450 has also become a support. So, we have to keep this in mind and, try to understand that that particular strength is too high on that particular side. So over here, once again, if I would see, there has been a call and put that has been evenly written. So over here, it says 35,000 and 36,000 is the 1,000 point range that this is going to be traveling with. But if you would see, on all the puts that has been written, there is the highest put over here at 35,500 that has been written over here. So somebody is aggressively shorting puts, but there is also a call that has been shorted. So there has been 35,500 strangles that has been created. So we will have to go ahead and check and see how this is going to pan out today. But whatever breakout is going to happen, it is definitely going to sustain. So keep this in mind, guys. There has been a lot of action over here in the market, and pretty much over here on the upside is what you would need to look out for. So I'm bullish for the Bank Nifty for today, and I'll be looking out for an upside target. Now, in terms of Nifty, so Nifty as well, what has happened is that the same tactical breakout has actually happened. So anything above 17,403 is going to be as beautiful as this target. That is going to be 17,546. So I'll be looking for this target, and this target would be available for me. And after that, Nifty would have technically reversed from a downtrend. All right. So keeping that in mind, what you would also need to understand is there are a few key things that you would need to know about Nifty. Now, if you look at the global markets over here, the indices on Friday have closed a little bit lesser, but over here, European indices were so-so. But today in the morning, Hang Seng and Shanghai are actually showing a very bullish momentum. So there is going to be a bull run that is actually going to come through. So you will have to get ready. So now there are so many indicators that are going to tell us that, Nifty is going to go up. So what are you going to do? You're going to understand and see what has been done already on Friday. So on Friday, as I can see, 17,300 put has been written massively. Oh God. So these guys have written an in the money put, somewhere, ITM put, I think, has been written. And of course, they have been aggressive with 17,350 as well as 17,400. So guys, get ready. Today might be a trending day. So remember, so if whatever analysis that we have done today, that clearly indicates that the market has to break the first 15 minutes range, and then it is going to get trending. So that is going to be the theme for the day, or it can gap up as well. So please look at the price action and then understand and see where you would want to trade for. And the pick for today is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors has got a very strong sale over here in its parameters. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. So I'm looking at 500 rupees as a target, and pretty much if the breakout has already happened at 480 already. So this was a level that it actually took out previously. So it is on an uptrend. You can look for somewhere around like let me just see here, 12 point stop loss, and take it as a swing for the week. And you can look at a 1:2 easily when it breaks over here. So I'm looking at a 500 as a round number target that it is going to breach very recently right now. So if anything above 482 is being seen, I want you guys to immediately go for it. All right. So this is my update for you. Thank you so much for joining in for this pre-market analysis, and also keeping in mind that the discount of the quarterly subscription on live trading is only going to be active for the next 3 hours. So please make the most of it. And thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Love you all. Jai Hind. Goodbye for now.